I'm a supercomputer scientist. I am a pioneer in computing because there was no instruction manual on how to harness the power of the, at that time, never before seen supercomputer that could solve 65,536 problems at once, and that was abandoned for me to program alone. Nor was there a help desk that could explain how I could send and receive at the same time 64 binary thousand emails. Back on June 20, 1974, when I began to program supercomputers that only solved one problem at a time, there were an average of 24 programmers logged into the supercomputer that I was programming. Those were the good old days when it was possible to program the world's fastest supercomputer and do so alone. On June 20, 1974, in Corvallis, Oregon, United States, I even had a supercomputer instructor, had a supercomputer instruction manual, and a supercomputer help desk. But a decade and a half onward of June 20, 1974, in Los Alamos, New Mexico, United States, I was the lone wolf programmer that was at the farthest frontier, that was the supercomputer that could solve the most challenging problems at once. For that experimental supercomputer of the 1980s, only one person can control its 65,536 processors. Only one person can lock all its processors and lock them simultaneously. I was the lone wolf that was at the farthest frontier of the massively parallel processing supercomputer. I was the supercomputer scientist that controlled all those 65,536 processors and controlled them at all times.